Congratulations to B Lord. B Lord has been granted bail. Congratulations to him, and at least by now he will know the do's and don'ts. So to Verydarkman, please, we have a new matter at hand now. We have a new matter at hand now. Please, we want you to do something about this. So there's a video trending online. This woman you're seeing here, this woman came out to tell us that there's a bread that she bought for over 2 months. That bread has been in her shop. And this woman was very careful enough. This woman is very intelligent. She's not Onodo. She knows exactly what she's doing. This woman was very careful enough to cover the brand, to make sure that she did not mention the brand name. This woman came out to tell us that this bread has been in her shop for over 2 months, and the bread has been fresh, just like today's baked bread. That woman was very careful enough to make sure that she did not reveal the brand name. And guess what? A brand came out and sued this woman, telling us that this woman is bringing their business down, that the woman should pay 50 million for making them not to sell. So please, every Nigerian should judge this now, and that is why we are calling on NAFDAC. We are calling on everybody. We want Verydarkman. We want you to go and talk to NAFDAC, because you know when they talk, maybe they will not listen to us, but when you mount pressure, at least they will listen. Imagine if somebody can buy bread, keep it in his shop, and the bread did not spoil. There's no fungi growing on that bread. What it means is that that bread is poison. So, but that woman did not mention any brand name. That woman did not call anybody's name. Now, all of a sudden, somebody came out. So what it means is that, please, NAFDAC should visit the bread factory of that particular woman that came out to attack the other person that says something. So please, NAFDAC should visit them. And it is another thing. If you are eating anything you are eating now, you have to be very careful of what you are eating. You have to be very careful of what you are eating, because the rate people are having ulcer these days, I've been saying it, the way people are having ulcer these days, you don't know where all those things are coming from. Some people are having ulcer. You think that is ulcer. You don't know that you're already having cancer in your stomach. You don't know. What is colon cancer? All these things. Let us be very careful of what we are putting in our mouth. But we want NAFDAC, since this woman just brought herself out. I want NAFDAC to visit their factory. At least when they go there, they're going to do some investigations, check what they have been preparing the bread with, so at least we will know where our problem is coming from. Because that was what they were doing until they buy Dora Akunyele. Dora Akunyele was the person that wanted to stop all this rubbish in Nigeria, but they conspired against her.